Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our 21st video of GKMCQ series. It's all about currency and economy. So let's start with question number 1. What is the currency of Japan? Here are 4 options and I will give you 5 seconds and you will have to guess the answer in these 5 seconds. So let's start. So, the right answer is yen. Do you know the yen is one of the most traded currencies in the world, introduced in 1871? As the question number 2, what is the currency of Saudi Arabia? Similarly, here are 4 options and you will have to guess the right answer. So, the right answer is Riyal. Saudi Riyal is subdivided into 100 halalas. It means the smallest unit. It has been the official currency since 1925. The question number 3 is, what is the currency of Russia? Here are 4 options: ruble, euro, krona and dollar. So you have 5 seconds, guess it quickly. Right answer is ruble. The Russian ruble is one of the oldest currencies still in use, dating back to the 14th century. As the 4th question, which is the official currency of European Union? The right answer is euro and this is the symbol of euro. Question number 5 is, what is the currency of China? I think this is very easy question and you can answer it very quickly. The right answer is yuan and it is also known as renminbi. The term renminbi means people's currency and yuan is its basic unit. Question number 5 is, what is the name of Pakistan's central bank? So the right answer is State Bank of Pakistan. It was established on 1st July 1948, just after independence, by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Question number 7 is, which is the largest denomination currency note currently in circulation in Pakistan? If you live in Pakistan, then you can guess the answer very easily. Yeah, this is 5000. The rate 5000 note was introduced in 2006 and is still the highest note in circulation. Okay, here 2006 is the main term, you have to remember it. Alright, so question number 8 is, what is the current currency of India? So the right answer is rupee. The Indian rupee is managed by the Reserve Bank of India and uses the symbol. This symbol is R in Hindi. Alright, so 9th question is, what is the currency of Turkey? The right answer is lira. The Turkish lira was revalued in 2005, removing 6 zeros from the old currency. This is very interesting story. If you want to know, let me know in the comment section. Question number 10 is, the currency of Bangladesh is? Right answer is Taka, introduced in 1972, 1 year after Bangladesh's independence. Bangladesh was independent in 1971 and this currency was introduced in 1972. Count your marks and let me know in the comment section how many questions you attempted correctly. So let's move to the question number 11. What is the currency of Malaysia? Right answer is ringgit. The word ringgit means jagged in Malay, describing the rough edges of old coins. Question number 12 is, which country uses the rupiah? Alright, the right answer is Indonesia. Indonesia's rupiah often has very high denominations due to inflation. Question number 13 is, which Pakistani city is considered the financial hub of the country? This question is very important and you must know the answer. The right answer is Karachi. Karachi handles about 90% of Pakistan's international trade and is home to the Karachi Stock Exchange. Question number 14 is, IMF stands for. This is very easy question. The right answer is International Monetary Fund. Established in 1944, the IMF supports global financial stability and provides loans to member countries. Question number 15 is, which country has the strongest currency in the world as of 2025? The right answer is Kuwaiti dinar. One Kuwaiti dinar is around 3.25 USD, making it the highest valued currency globally. Question number 16 is, the World Bank headquarters is located in. The right answer is Washington DC. Founded in 1944, it works to reduce poverty and fund development projects worldwide. Question number 17 is, the Asian Development Bank ADB headquarters is in. The right answer is Manila. The Asian Development Bank was established in 1966 to support Asian economic growth. Question number 18 is, what is GDP an abbreviation for? The right answer is Gross Domestic Product. GDP measures the total value of goods and services produced within a country in a year. Question number 19 is, what does inflation mean? The right answer is rise in prices. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of money over time. The last question of this video is, remittance means. The right answer is sending money from abroad to home country. Pakistan is among top 10 remittance receiving countries. Most inflows come from Saudi Arabia and UAE. So here our 20 questions has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Must let me know in the comment section how many questions you attempted correctly. It will help me to know that how much knowledge you have about these questions, and I will give more questions related to this. So here our 21 videos have been completed. Congratulations. Now the next video will be about your quiz. So in the next video I will make the test number 3 where you will attempt the answer. So next video would be very interesting. So let's meet in the next test quiz where I will do the question and you will give the answer. So bye bye, see you soon in the next video.